Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video on this channel. I'm gonna show you how to use an image for a show height functionality in Tableau. So if you have seen my previous dashboard, so in this dashboard I use this little popcorn icon, popcorn with basketball icon, and the moment I click on this I get this filter options, and when I click on it again, this filter option vanishes. Now for the ones who are not really aware of show and hide functionality in Tableau, so Tableau provides this amazing functionality where you can easily use a button or an icon to control the visibility of a container. So let's say I'll just make a very basic chart. So I've dragged segments and let's say sales, that's it. I've gone to dashboard. I'm dragging this into the view, and let's add this show height. So there it is. You have this button, which is by default you will have in this state. When you click on it, your visualization, the chart that was there, will be gone. When you click it back, it will be there. Now what the best part is that you can easily customize this button. You can left click on this, you will see edit button, click on that, and then you can easily customize however you want. So there are two states obviously. When the item is shown, item basically means a chart, a visualization, a sheet, or a container, whatever it is. When it is shown, how do you want your button to be? Let's say in that case I will choose an image. In that case, let's say I want Stephen Curry to pop up. So I can select some border if I want, I can select some background if I want, but in this case I won't really like to give that. If you want some tooltip text, you can do that. Test text. Now that is there. Then you have the other state. Let's say when the item is hidden, which image do you want to show? So let's say in that case I want the popcorn to be shown. So again, test 2, some random tooltip text, apply. Okay, you can obviously resize according to how you want it. So now you can see you have Stephen Curry looking awkwardly on our Tableau dashboard. When I click on it, that visualization is hidden, it is gone. We have the popcorn icon, and when I click on the popcorn icon back, the visualization is shown. So this is how easy and interesting it is to use show and hide and to customize the show and hide button in Tableau. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and stay tuned for such good videos on this channel. See you. Happy using. Bye bye.